Symbud Myntri Rangbah Jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong berdepai ke Tnad Polit hynne ke Thohdieng ulah pyntip bah Tnad ke phynkreh ia ke blueprint ne ke plan ban weng ke jingkhapngiah Sorkar Jylla ban ro ban pynduna ia ke jingdheng kali ulah pyntip Iingdorbar bah Sorkar ke shim ia ke sienjam ke babun ban te lakam ia ke jingdheng kali ban pynkelut ia ke jingyat ke kali ban pensuk ia ke lekawan Nongbah Shillong ka Sorkar Jylla kalale ia ke technical study integrated network planning bat kiwe ban songtu ia ke daw tenrai daga ba pensyong nongrim halor kane bat ka jing ajmut na Tnad baper la pynkhreh ia ke blueprint ban pynkelut ia ke Sorkar Jylla bat ke sinjam ban hab ban sim bynta ban hadin habut na ke bynta ban pynduna ia ke jingdheng kali ong Bah Prestone Tynsong ha jawab ia ke jingkali belawan ra ada MLA jong Iatai na Nongthymmai Bah Charles Pyngrope Bah Prestone Tynsong ulah pyntip bah Sorkar ke thau ia ke komiti jong ki babun ke Tnad Sorkar ia ke balakli daw chief secretary ia ke balai kerteng ke Shillong Decognition Committee ke ban pengor ia ke jingyat ke sinjam balabu ban shim kat kum ke blueprint ka komiti ke penlong ia ke babun ke jinglang ban pethu ia ke jingyat jong ke kam kat to kat ne naik sinjam ke balai shim dak Sorkar ke de ke jungwan ra ia ke share school boss pentrikam perking ia ke an ban pentikna ia ke jingne bat ke jingmbha jong ke surak haba kedawi kisin jam pamardor balai shim ban weng ia kene jing Symbud Myntri Rangbah Jylla ulaong bagi share school boss la pentrikam hapo Nongbah la antat kumba saus pa san pau teligi kali kin lait nak jing mi syasurak ha ka por belej bu bat le chaw school ulaong bag Sorkar kalabu hakmat ban kentiu kerdan hi ki jingkhapngiah kali bat ke surak ban la ban penun kam ket kum ke jing dawa ulai tu ru bayam menta palat lais pa tam ki jaka ban penyang kali lanang penbun hapo ke Nongbah ka Sorkar ke pentri kamru ia ki laipau teli ki bos elektrik ki ba penyaso ia ki jakayo ki office trikam ki jaka pule bat ki shnong briu ong Bah Prestone Tynsong haba ban rap bagine ki bos ki niat ha ki laipau minit kawai hadin jong kawai ia ke ban sa penduna sya ka shipo bat khatsan ha ki benta jong ki surok balabu bakiniat
Mr. Speaker sir, reply to third question 56 sir. The state government has taken multidisciplinary and integrated approach to tackle traffic congestion and improve the mobility and accessibility of Shillong city. The state government conducted technical studies, integrated network planning and mobility gap assessment to understand the root cause. Based on this and inputs from various departments, a blueprint to decongest Shillong was prepared, which has listed out short, medium and long-term interventions to ease traffic congestion. C. A multi-departmental committee
I will now call
Chief
the House to order. Let us take up question
has
number
also been
45.
notified to monitor the progress of the interventions listed in the blueprint. The committee has convened various meetings to monitor the progress.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I interrupt under
Mr. Speaker, sir,
answer is very long.
Like to start question number 46.
Table of the House.
Yes, sir. I'm happy to place on the table of the House.
So, let me ask you supplementary questions.
So, all my supplementaries are already answered here. But let me refer to this, the budget speech led by the Honorable Chief Minister and paragraph 5.
They have come out notification.
The blueprint to comprehensively address the issues of traffic congestion.
No, we have, I think we have.
Blueprints was the world-class skywalk. So that's a very interesting and important infrastructure that is being constructed. But that will only ease the traffic, pedestrian traffic. We are also concerned about the vehicular traffic congestion. May I suggest, if this world-class skywalk can be converted into world-class bus.
Prior to this, there was no restriction
Elevation of
on the load capacity of trucks flying.
project will be on stills. Therefore, if this can be added, then the use of motor vehicular traffic will be reduced tremendously.
You mean
If it can be incorporated, sir.
high range instead
That's
of
right,
skywalk?
sir. That's right.
Sir, point noted, sir. Point noted, yes.